Today, we explore what authenticity really means in modern creativity. Human creation is largely recombination. From early education, minds are shaped by patterns, lessons, and cultural norms. True originality is rare. Most art, literature, music, and science is iterative. We copy, tweak, and recombine, yet audiences perceive it as authentic. Constraints like budgets, deadlines, and audience metrics shape creation. Marketing often decides whether content feels original, sometimes more than the work itself. AI now performs the same recombination faster and at scale. Critics risk losing relevance as audiences favor polished, efficient outputs. The solution is collaboration. AI generates possibilities. Human redefine adds subtle touches and frame perception. Authenticity is not about origin. It's how patterns are combined, interpreted, and presented. By embracing AI as a partner, creativity expands, engagement grows, and originality remains compelling. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Liu. See you next time.